That's what we do. That is what nanoStudio Chroma is providing. You deliver us one stream, and that one stream will be multi-branded to your feel, your like. nanoStudio Chroma, the idea and the drive behind it is following a much bigger trend, and the trend is called personalization. So if you talk about chroma key and a chroma key setup, if you want to do that for a single stream, that's okay. It's very costly, but how can you multiply that? How can you don't have one customers, but you have 10 customers or partners, okay? And how can you service them in an easy to use and fast way that, takes seconds or minutes instead of months? And for that, nanoStudio Chroma is there, which is the perfect solution for cloud-based multi-branding. That is what nanoStudio Chroma is providing. You deliver us one stream, and that one stream will be multi-branded to your feel, your like, that you want your clients to have or receive. It is absolutely available. It's being rolled out and customers are using it in production. So please connect with us, and we're very happy to talk about it and help you to get started on this exciting way of providing you and allowing you to personalize content for your client.